Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, we are actually going to do a little tutorial on how to create a listing start to finish using the desktop website of Poshmark. Now, usually I prefer to list using the app, and I will be doing another tutorial on how to list start to finish using the app. But I realize there are a lot of people who do prefer to list on their computers. So today I am going to walk you through how to create a listing from your computer. So here we are on the main page of Poshmark's website, and we are going to go up here to the top right hand corner where it says sell on Poshmark, and we're going to click on that. This is going to take you to your listing page. So this is where you're actually going to create the listing that you are going to post in your closet. So in order to do this, if you take your photos with your phone, obviously you are going to have to transfer those to your computer so that you can upload them into your listing. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose my photos from my desktop. And we are going to I'm just doing command click, and then I'm going to do choose. So this is going to upload all of my photos into Poshmark. So this is where you will select your cover shot, and I am okay with this image being the cover shot. So I'm just going to click apply. And you saw the selection, the option to use filters on the photos. I would not advise using filters. That feature has been around since Poshmark first started. So I think that's why they keep it there, just because it's one of the original features of the app and they don't want to get rid of it for sentimental reasons. But so you've uploaded your pictures into your desktop, and then you've uploaded them into your listing. So the next thing you're going to do is going to be your title. So I get a lot of questions about what to include in your titles and things like that. I prefer to keep my titles as simple as possible. You don't want to put a lot of extra words in them. You don't want to put emojis in them. That is not going to... Emojis can actually hinder your items from appearing in the search results. So you do not want to put emojis in your titles. You just want it to be clean, simple. I do the brand name, what the item is, and maybe one or two keywords, not many. I save those for the description. I try to keep the title as short and clean as possible. So this is a joie top, and I'm going to put cheetah print just as a couple keywords to have in the title. And then in my description, I'm going to go into more details. So I'm going to do joie silk top, size small. And I actually, as I'm photographing things, I write down my measurements in a notebook. So I do have the measurements, and I will put those down here. Measures 18 inches armpit to armpit and 24 inches long. And that's usually all I include on tops. If people want more specific measurements about something, if they're concerned about something, then I will answer those questions as they are asked. And then I'm going to add gently worn, great condition. And then, then you have your description, and you're going to go down here to category. So this is a top, so you're going to choose tops. And then you have the option to include a subcategory. I'm going to be honest, I don't include subcategories a lot of the times. I don't know how this really affects the search results of an item, but I usually try to keep it as general as possible. And then it's a single item. And then I'm going to choose the size. It's a size small. And then does this item have tags attached? You don't have to choose anything here if it doesn't, so I'm just going to leave that as it is. And then for brand, I'm going to type in Joie and choose that from the menu. I do not include colors usually in my listing, just because color is something that's a very gray area. It's very open to interpretation from people, and I do not like to include colors in my listings, so I don't. For original price, I'm just going to put 0. You can, a lot of people put, some people put $9.99. I usually just put 0 if I don't really know the price of the item. And then you just kind of choose a price for your item and you put it in there. And so just kind of double check and make sure that you have filled in all of the categories, which we have. And so you're going to click next. And then we have, I'm going to uncheck Facebook and uncheck Pinterest. I don't want to share to those right now. I do want to share it to the party that's going on. So I have everything in place, and then I'm going to click list this item. And then we're done. And you can go to your closet and it will appear there as the first item. So there you have it. That is how to list an item start to finish on your desktop.